Here we go. This is Breezy Gibson from LastGerm.com. I'm inside a school bus. And I'm on here with Brother Will Thomas, and we want to give you a bird's eye view of what it looks like when we sanitize and disinfect the inside of a school bus. So for school districts, whether it's charter schools, private schools, public schools, we have a two-step process in which we eliminate all kinds of pathogens, germs, viruses, and much more to help keep your children sick on these, help keep them from getting sick on these vehicles. And our two-step process is registered with the EPA, so it lasts a minimum of 90 days. No more having to spray stuff every day, every other day, because our product lasts for 90 days, and we've got printed literature that proves so. So people who own tractor-trailer companies or owner-operators, any kind of bus systems, motor coaches, any kind of vehicles that transport supplies, senior citizen transport companies, motor homes, mobile homes, houses, offices, daycare centers. We get rid of pathogens, germs, and viruses that can prove to be deadly or make you sick. There's many, many other products. If you already have your own fogger machine, we actually can ship our two-step product to your front door, and we can show you how to use it to keep your facility, whether it's a restaurant or any other kind of facility, business office, clean and sanitized. Well, that's going to be it for right now, right, Brother Will?
That's right.
Okay.